Hello mga motorista! Welcome na naman sa isang Motorista Adventures na video. For this episode, i-review natin ang ating Nissan Terra EL model, base model ito sa lineup manual transmission. So, tignan natin yung specs, features, and everything that you need to know regarding the Nissan Terra base model. So, simulan natin sa kanyang harapan mga motorista. No? Si Nissan Terra EL has the same look, if not really very familiar look sa top of the line natin. Of course, it now gets the quad LEDs dun sa harap na headlight natin. And also, you have LED fog lights as well. Yung nagkaka-differ lang sa top of the line and here for the base model is the fog light surroundings. It's different, no? It's much less aggressive in terms of design. But functionality-wise, parehas lang sila sa top of the line model. Now, when it comes to the sides of the vehicle, mga motorista, you get disc brakes up front with double wishbone suspension. Pagdating sa likuran, you have this solid axle multi-link system, which is very durable. So when it comes to the wheels and the tires, si Nissan Terra has 18-inch alloy wheels and very good looking rims which are boomerang design. And one thing lang na you're not getting is the big disc brakes, no, from the high-end model and the disc brakes at the rear. So drum brakes ito. And instead of electronic parking brake, you just get handbrake as standard, which is not bad in my opinion, mga motorista. Right, now moving on to the back of the Nissan Terra, no, definitely you'll be hard pressed to know that this is a base model with regards to the design. I think Nissan's done a really good job, no, making sure that you don't see the difference masyado when it comes to the design sa outside or sa exterior ng mga Terra. Now, you have LED taillights, LED brake lights, and yung naiiwan na lang siguro na bulb type dito is yung turn signal lights niya. Dito naman sa ating tailgate, it is manual tailgate, hindi siya power tailgate for the base model. As expected na yan. When it comes to the engine, si Nissan Terra has the YD25 DDTI that we've seen in all the Terras ever since it was launched dito sa Pilipinas. Now, it is an inline 4-cylinder double overhead cam, variable turbocharger, and intercooler, which makes about 190 PS of max power and a maximum torque of 450 Nm. It is a common rail direct injection with a fuel tank capacity of 78 liters. Because this Nissan Terra is very modern, especially when it comes to their interior. So I really like the straightforward look ng kanyang interior, especially the dash, no. So as you can see, mga motorista, you have a plastic material dito na parang leather. High quality, it doesn't look cheap, and looks like the fit and finish, no, is quite good as well. So, meron tayong mga air vents here, no? Sa side, you have this aircon vent. Yung ating steering wheel, although it's not leather for the EL variant, but it has that really nice looking sporty feel kasi naka-flat bottom tayo, 3-spoke steering wheel. Wala tayong cruise control. That's fine. Since this is a manual transmission, okay lang walang cruise control talaga. Another thing is that you have audio controls right here. You have navigation buttons now. That's for the screen right up front natin. For the EL model, wala tayong advanced driver aid. So just take note of that, mga motorista, if you're going for this base model variant nila. Dito din, mga motorista, you have here your buttons, no? So meron tayong parking sensor button on or off here, trip reset. You have your fuel. And press mo lang to para buksan yung fuel cover natin, and then yung ating adjustment for our gauge right here. So kung pipindutin ko yan, bababa yung brightness ng ating screen. Alright, now when it comes to the screen, this is a 7-inch display. I really like this display, very good quality. Hindi siya HD, pero you can clearly see all the things na mga details niya, no? Like for example, yung time, yung outside air temperature, and then you have your odometer right here. You have your distance to empty, diba? So kitang-kita mo yan, and yung backlight natin is white, so makes it a lot modern. Automatic up and down for the driver, which is nice, but sa mga passengers, no, manual toggles na lang siya. No problem with that as long as power windows, diba? Chrome door handles tayo dito sa ating EL variant, and you can see na cloth material here. Meron tayong dalawang dome lights dito, and you have your sunglass holder, which is quality is quite good. And yan, vanity mirror, vanity mirror again for the passenger, day and night rear view mirror as expected. And dito naman tayo mag-focus no sa ating infotainment system. Yung infotainment system natin is a 9-inch display. This is an 8-inch display head unit. Okay. Yung ating infotainment system is a smaller infotainment system if you compare it to the top of the line VL models, and it is lesser no in terms of quality ng kanyang screen. So you can definitely see the pixels, mga motorista. And also it's not as fast no as the processors dun sa ating mga higher end models. What I really like is you still have the same functionality as with the top of the line models no, with some minor changes. For example, yung camera button natin just displays the settings. Wala tayong 360 camera, you have reverse camera lang dito sa ating EL model. So what I like is meron tayong mga physical buttons for the volume, tuning, or scroll knob. Meron tayong dimming button here or just leave it on auto. Meron tayong next button, audio button na shortcut, menu, call, camera, and back button. So lahat ng mga easy to reach items natin is andito sa ating physical controls. Really nice. Dito sa ilalim, mga motorista, wala tayong digital climate control. This is just a manual type. It's quite okay in my opinion because it looks high quality yung mga knobs natin. Usually kapag yung mga manufacturer nagma-manual air conditioning dito, parang naiwan na yung quality nila. Okay? But ito high quality pa din. Right? So you have your fan speed, yung control ng ating cooling, and recirculation, AC buttons natin. Now, below that, below sa ating air conditioning, you have 12-volt accessory outlet, Type-C port, which is really welcome here, and also you have your standard USB port. And meron tayong rear cooler on or off. No? Yung air conditioning sa likod, pwede nating i-off kung dalawa lang naman kayo sa sasakyan. Wala tayong wireless charger for the base model EL, and 6-speed automatic and 6-speed manual transmission. Medyo springy yung ating gear shifter. Yung iba kasi medyo kailangan pang medyo makunat, no. Ito springy siya. It wants to go back to the center yung ating shifter. Right? So yung reverse natin is pag ganun. Wala tayong electronic parking brakes for the base model, so standard handbrake lang tayo. Meron pa din tayong remote, no, seat folding for the second row, which is quite good, no. Unique to sa Nissan. Yung ibang competitors hindi ginaya tong ganitong design, which is again, it makes the Nissan Terra unique. Meron tayong cup holders here, leather armrest, and meron tayong glove compartment, and very spacious dito sa loob ng Nissan Terra, mga motorista, in my opinion. I really like this interior. It's modern, no. So even though na medyo matagal na tong redesign nila sa interior nila, it still looks fresh, no, in 2024. By the way, this model, no, even though this is the cheapest model that you can get, you still have engine push to start button. Now, that's something, mga motorista, yung iba disusi na pag ganito na base model. Right. Another feature that I want to talk about is we have automatic headlights. Meron din tayong intermittent wipers, no, sa ating stocks. Wala tayong auto rain sensing wipers. Okay? Another thing when it comes to the safety features, no, you only get airbags for the front driver and front passenger, and I think meron din tong front knee. So i-correct ko na lang sa video, mga motorista, paglabas nito. Right? And you have your seat belts right here. You have your grab handles na for the second row of seats. So ayan, mga motorista, yung ating Nissan Terra dito sa loob. So ngayon naman, let's take a look at the back of the Nissan Terra. Let's see kung ano yung maganda sa kanya dun sa likuran. Windows pa rin tayo dito sa likod. Ito yung ating rear seats, no. So yung seats na to is cloth pa din, pero itong cloth na to is I think this is free na seat cover. So once you purchase the Nissan Terra, if you want the seat cover, I think this is the free one that you'll get sa mga dealers natin. Okay, so pasok tayo dito sa second row. Yan. And dito sa likuran ng Nissan Terra, no, very different experience from most of the most of the competitors kasi when you sit here dito sa likuran, you sit really high. So mas mataas pa yung head ko, no, kaysa dun sa headrest ng front seats. So that's quite unique, no. So when it comes to headroom, ayan, so medyo tumatayo yung buko. So ayan yung headroom natin. Very good. 5'7", if you're taller than me, medyo magkaka-issue ka kung mga 6-footer ka na when it comes to the headroom. Ayan, so yan yung headroom natin. So when it comes to the thigh support, okay, very good, napakaluwag. Toe room, not so much. Kung ipapasok mo na siya, you have less space. Meron pa tayong ilaw dito sa ilalim ng ating toe area. Dito naman sa center, you have dual air vents here, which is quite unique as well. Kasi meron na tayong air vents dito sa taas, plus meron pa dito. Usually kasi, pag merong vents sa taasan, wala nang vents dito, diba? So, meron tayong USB Type-C and Type-A ports, which is very welcome sa mga bagong phones ngayon, when especially you want fast charging. And meron pa tayong air vents as well dito sa taas, no? So that's quite unique as well, mga motorista, sa kanyang segment. You have adjustment for the air conditioner dito sa ating Nissan Terra, and yung dome lights natin is LEDs. So ayan yung ating third row ng ating Nissan Terra, mga motorista, and as you can see, very decent space, no. Best for kids talaga pag sa likuran ng mga ganitong SUV. So medyo cramp yan pag medyo matangkad ka, pero kung ano ka naman, yung less than 5'5", diba? So decently comfortable ka naman dito sa likuran ng mga Terra natin. So mga motorista, yung ating Nissan Terra EL manual transmission is priced at 1,779,000 dito sa Nissan Cagayan de Oro. No, this color is the black color. I think you have lots of options when it comes to color, and I think very good step up to for 2024 model year. It doesn't look like the base model that it once was. So again, you get a lot, no, full LED headlamps. As you can see, you have quad LED projector types there, just like the top of the line VL model, diba? But you get less features than the top of the line model. So if you want the base model, you can't go wrong with the Nissan Terra, mga motorista, when it comes to the price and also the amount of specs that it has. So if you have any questions regarding the Nissan Terra, mga motorista, let me know down sa ating comments. And maraming salamat nga pala sa Nissan Cagayan de Oro, no, andito tayo sa kanilang showroom. Maraming salamat for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next episode.